Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like us to discuss algebraic expression. We have minus 5 times 2y, so equals to, we have minus 5 here, we open our bracket, right? Minus 5, we close it, times, here is 2, so this is positive 2, here is plus, so we open our bracket, right? Plus 2, close our bracket, then remaining y, so times y, so therefore we say equals to minus times plus, so we have minus, we open our bracket, 5 times 2, we close bracket, then times our y, so minus 5 times 2 equals to minus 10, we have minus 10, then times y, minus 10y, that is our final answer. Second, we have minus 6 times minus 4x, so equals to, here we have minus 6 and here we have minus 4, so therefore we open our first bracket, at minus 6, we close it, then times, open bracket, minus 4, close our bracket, then times x, so minus times minus equals to plus, we open our bracket, 6 times 4, 6 times 4, close our bracket, then times x, so 6 times 4 equals to 24, times x equals to x, so no need of us to write plus here, just leave it like this, 24x, so your final answer is 24x. Next we have minus 3 times 7, so equals to, we have minus 3 here, so we open a bracket, minus 3, we close a bracket, then times a, times, here is 7, so it's positive here, then times, we open a bracket, plus 7, we close it here, so minus 3 times a times plus 7, so here we go, minus times plus, we have minus, we open a bracket, 3 times 7, 3 times 7, we close it, then times our a, so 3 times 7 equals to 21, here we have minus here, so we bring it down, then times a, we have minus 21, a is our final answer.